All right, so we are going to look at how to calculate the volume of a triangular prism. So we are going to use the formula volume equals B, which is the area of the base, times H, which is the height of the prism. So if it is a triangular prism, that means the base must be a triangle, right? Again, the base is what gives the prism its shape. So we can use just this triangle in the front. And we are going to use that for B, and H, the height of the prism, is going to be 12, right? Because it is the distance between the front triangle and the back. In other words, it's the distance between the bases. So now we're going to use our formula and make our substitutions. So I'm going to replace our variables with parentheses. The first thing that we need to do for B is the area of the triangular base. And if you remember, the formula for finding area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, where B and H are the base and the height of the triangle only, not the prism. So we need to use 4 because that is and this should be a B, not an H. The 4 is the base of the triangle. And again, when we measure height, it needs to be perfectly vertical. So 6 will be the height of the triangle. So we are going to take this formula for the triangle, the area of the triangle, and we are going to use that in our first spot in our formula. So again, triangle always starts with 1/2 times the base of the triangle, we said was 4, times the height of the triangle was 6. So that is our first substitution. And then again, we took the flat triangle, and to make our prism, we stretched it by 12 centimeters, which becomes the height of the prism. All right, so we've done the hard part. We've filled out our formula with our substitutions. Now we just actually have to simplify and calculate our final answer. So in blue, the area of the triangle simplifies to 12, and the height of the prism is still 12. So now we just have to calculate 12 times 12, which gives us a volume of 144. And again, our units are centimeters, and since it's volume, it's centimeters to the third, centimeters cubed, because there are 3 dimensions when we calculate volume. So I hope this video helped. Again, you are going to need to find the base and be able to calculate the area of the base in order to use this formula. So thanks for watching.